Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you guys exactly how I make a smoothie bowl. Now if you follow me over on Instagram, you will already know that I'm a huge fan of smoothie bowls. A day doesn't go by without me having one. They're so delicious, so satisfying, and they really do keep you going for a long time throughout the day, not to mention how healthy and nutritious they are. It's just what you need to start off your day correct. I get so many questions on how to make this, so I thought I'd make one of my favorites. It's my cacao smoothie bowl. I absolutely love it, and so will you. It's so easy to make. So come tomorrow, you guys will know exactly what to do. Before I get into today's video, guys, a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel. Please do, because it really helps with the growth of my channel and supports me as a creator. So once you've done that, we can get straight in to making today's smoothie bowl. So I've got my blender, and in the jug, we're gonna start off with a plant milk. Normally, I don't really have my plant milks ready, or they run out super quick. So what you can do is just grab a small handful of almonds and pop them in your jug. That will make your almond milk without making it beforehand. Then you need 1 banana and then 2 pitted dates. This roughly makes 2 to 3 smoothie bowls, 2 big smoothie bowls and 3 little smoothie bowls. So if you need more, then just double up on all the ingredients. The next thing you'll need is some desiccated coconut. Now this gives the smoothie bowl its creaminess. You can get it with a banana, but I feel like you need more bananas. So this really just does the job. So I'd do about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the desiccated coconut, and then just 1 tablespoon of chia. So chia, as we know, expands. It can get quite thick. So this is a good ingredient if your smoothie bowl is a little bit runny. Just pop some chia seeds in it and it will thicken it up instantly. Give it a blend and you'll have the consistency you want. So this really is the base of most smoothie bowls. This is the base I use, and then I'll add in the flavors that I want. So like I said, I'm making a cacao smoothie bowl today. So all I would need is some cacao powder. So 1 heaped spoon of cacao powder. Make sure it's cacao powder, not cacao. So CaCao, not the CoCoA. The CaCao one is the actual real cacao. It's the healthiest form it comes in. So make sure when you're buying, it's that one. And then the last thing is Himalayan salt. I mention this so much. For those of you who follow me, you will know when it comes to making any chocolate, a little bit of salt just takes away that bitterness. Then you take your filtered water. I would start with less than more, because then you can sort of build it up. But that's how much I would put in. But I am gonna add to that. I always do. At this stage, you're going to blend until it is smooth. So you can see, and you can probably hear that the blade has run out of stuff to blend. So you can see it's gone too thick. So this is where you just keep adding the water until you get the right consistency. That's why I mentioned start with less over more. Okay, you want it to look like that, like a chocolate ganache almost. And then you want to grab your bowl. Perfect. There's always so much left in the jug, guys. So if you have a spatula, then do this. If you don't have a spatula, I strongly recommend you getting one, because the amount of waste in anything really that you make that's left in saucepans or jugs, especially in a blender, there's a lot of waste. So the spatula just helps you get it all out. So at this stage, it's time to put on the toppings. I'm going to talk you through the toppings now, and then I will show you. So you can really use anything you want. I'll use between 2 to 3 fruits. So I always put a banana, a cut up banana on my smoothie bowl. I also like to put up chopped apples because it just gives a nice texture and crunch. And then I always have mixed berries too that seem to be running away from me. And then Almond butter is also another staple that gets drizzled all over the smoothie bowl. The more the better. Then I like to put on my seeds. So any seeds, again, pumpkin seeds here. I've also got sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and then some dried fruits. So these are mulberries, little dried mulberries. They're absolutely delicious. Another delicious one is Inca berries. They are like tangy and sour. And then especially for the chocolate smoothie bowl, I always sprinkle on some cacao nibs because they just give such a nice texture, and obviously it's pure chocolate and it just matches it perfectly. And lastly, some goji berries. So really, whatever you want. This is my selection. I'll change it up depending on what I've ordered, but this is basically what it looks like. I will link all of the ingredients below for you guys. I bulk buy everything. It just makes it so much cheaper. I mix it up between a couple of brands. There's Real Food Source, Buy Whole Foods online, and Forest Whole Foods. They're the three I sort of jump between. Yes, you're buying in kilos, but if you're eating this every day and using it in other parts of your cooking, then trust me, you go through it so quickly. We are now at the stage of buying 10 kilos of almonds because we make our almond milk, we make our almond butter, any sauces that involve almonds in it or toppings, that's how quickly we go through it. So it's worth it in the long run. You save a lot of money. But like I said, I will link everything below for you guys, so you can see yourself, and then you can stock up so you can make the smoothie bowl whenever you want. Easy was that? See guys, there's no excuse. It's so easy to do. I cannot wait to get into this. I'm so hungry. Thank you so much guys for taking the time to watch this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you now feel more confident in making smoothie bowls. Any questions you have guys, drop them below. I will get back to all of you. And like I mentioned, everything that I've used, I will link in the description box below for you guys to make it a little bit easier if you're not familiar with these sorts of ingredients. Please give this video a like guys, and like I mentioned earlier, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also come and follow me over on Instagram. It's at Honestly Alessandra, where I share tons of smoothie bowl recipes. That way you'll never be unsure on what smoothie bowl to make, because I got you, don't worry. Thank you again guys so much. Until next week guys, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye guys.